Con.
Hey beautiful people, what's going on? It's Momo from Dr. Baba Jakobs, and I'm excited to start this new series. It's called The Hair of the World. So I've been thinking of this idea for the past 3 weeks. I mean basically ever since I started my barber channel on YouTube. Because we have all these other barber channels that basically teaches you how to cut hair good, how to give a nice fade, how to do nice taper fade. For example, 360 GZ or Chris Bosso, the other, the big famous YouTubers. Then I was thinking, I don't want to just do what they do. It's not like they're doing a great thing, but also at the same time, I just want to be myself. I want to do something that's unique and something that people have never done it before. So I was thinking, since I grew up in a different environment, different places, different countries, and different cultures, and right now I'm a university student in Germany, and I go to international university, which has more than 1,000 students. It's pretty small university from more than 111 countries or nationalities, which is pretty diverse. It's one of the most diverse university in Europe that I know of. And I cut mainly students' hair here on campus, and every hair texture is different. Everyone is from different country and everyone has different hair. Everyone comes from a different part of the world. And I also love traveling, right? So I'm the world traveler. I love to go anywhere. I love to travel. I like to do backpacking. I was thinking I also love cutting people's hair. So I was thinking maybe why not combine these two concepts? So this is a very first episode of my idea to basically have people from different parts of the world have different texture of hair, and I just kind of give tutorial on how to cut their hair and how it turns out, and it's just the process of giving a haircut to different people, and where I want to go after this is because I'm graduating and I'll be unemployed thanks to coronavirus, but eventually when I'm able to sustain myself in certain way, I want to extend it more than just stay in one place cutting people's hair. So I was thinking of at the end, I would like to travel around the world, give haircut to wherever I meet in that place or the parts of the world. And maybe we can start off with subscribers or the viewers, the audience for my channel. It could also be random people on the street. So it would be kind of like vlogging for my my traveling vlog. But also at the same time, I give haircut to people in different places of the world. And I think this is pretty dope idea. And I really wanted to achieve within next few years or so. So this is just the very first thing. I'm still trying out new things, and this is my first episode of my client he's Michael from Ethiopia, so he's gonna be the very first client for this series. I'm excited. It's already halfway of the video, but I'm just giving him just nice little taper fade on his side and the back. So we'll see how it turns out. So I also want to know your suggestions and comments, or do you have any ideas or any requests or anything like that? Just leave a comment down below and let me know. And that's about it. And I hope you like my video, and make sure to subscribe. Boos. Alright, forgot to mention though, but I got my beats from from Beats by Khan. And if you like the beats, I will leave a link to Beats by Khan's YouTube channel in the description. And check it out and support his YouTube channel as well. Alright, YouTube, this is the cut. What do you guys think? If you like it, if you don't like it, regardless, leave a comment down below and thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever, and make sure to subscribe and share with your friend. I'll see you pretty soon. Peace.